Welcome to China Connect. We're your fun passport to China's best, living, traveling, working, and more. Dive in, explore, and discover China now. Let's go! Today we have some mind-blowing news about China's space program that has the potential to change the landscape of space exploration forever. That's right. Even if you're a layman, you've got a chance to become an astronaut. So, buckle up, because we're blasting off to outer space. On May 30, 2023, at 9:31 a.m. Beijing time, China launched the Shenzhou 16 manned spacecraft with the help of the Long March 2F carrier rocket from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center. This marks another milestone in China's space exploration journey, as it swiftly advances toward building a fully operational space station, the Tiangong Space Station, which will join the International Space Station as a beacon of human achievement in orbit. The launch itself was a smooth success, with the spacecraft entering its planned orbit and the astronauts in great condition. Once in orbit, the Shenzhou 16 will dock with the space station module, and the crew will switch places with the Shenzhou 15 crew, who have been on board the station since their launch in 2022. The Shenzhou 16 crew will have their hands full during their time aboard the station. They will be busy performing extravehicular activities, conducting space science experiments, and maintaining equipment both inside and outside the capsule. Their work will contribute significantly to China's space program and the advancement of human knowledge in space exploration, as well as the development of new technologies that could benefit life on Earth. The space station module is ready for the rendezvous, and we're about to witness a fantastic space meeting between the Shenzhou 15 and Shenzhou 16 crews. The exchange of crew members will be conducted in a safe and efficient manner, showcasing China's growing expertise in space docking and crew transfers, which is essential for the long-term sustainability of space exploration and the future establishment of lunar bases or even manned missions to Mars. But that's not all. During their stay, the Shenzhou 16 crew will also welcome the visit and docking of the Shenzhou 17 manned spacecraft, which is scheduled for launch later this year. This will further demonstrate China's ability to manage multiple spacecraft dockings at the space station, an essential skill for the future of space exploration and the establishment of international collaborations. The Shenzhou 16 crew is planning to return to Earth in November this year, completing their mission and paving the way for the next generation of space travelers. The Shenzhou 16 crew lineup is pretty special. With Commander Jean Haipei leading the charge, we also have young scientists Zhu Yangzhu and Gue Haichao making their space debut. These academic powerhouses have published numerous papers in their fields, making them highly respected scholars in their own right. And guess what? Gue Haichao is the first astronaut to bring glasses into the space station. That's right, being nearsighted is no longer a barrier to becoming an astronaut. Of course, they'll have to wear contact lenses during the launch phase, but it's still a significant step forward that shows how the space program is evolving to accommodate different physical conditions. As for their physical training, payload experts like Gue Haichao need to pass 6G overload tests during selection, and the final training goal is to reach 8G. They'll undergo more than 200 training items in 8 categories, including desert wilderness survival training, sleep deprivation experiments, zero-gravity simulations, and even training in advanced robotics and artificial intelligence systems that will play a crucial role in the future of space exploration. And although they might have started with weaker physical fitness compared to astronauts from the Air Force pilot team, they've shown the determination to improve. Gue Haichao, for example, went from struggling with physical training to excelling in it, proving that hard work and dedication can overcome initial disadvantages. So, what does all this mean for us, the average Joes? The sky's the limit. With China's space program breaking new ground and pushing boundaries, it's proving that you don't have to be a military pilot to become an astronaut. All it takes is dedication, hard work, and the drive to reach for the stars. China's space program is opening up opportunities for a new generation of astronauts, and who knows, maybe one day, you could be one of them. As space exploration becomes more accessible, we might see more collaborations between nations and even private companies working together to push the boundaries of human knowledge and our understanding of the universe. This new age of space exploration could lead to incredible scientific advancements, the development of new technologies, and perhaps even the discovery of new life forms beyond our planet. The possibilities are endless, and the future looks bright for those who dare to dream big and reach for the stars. We'll keep you updated on the latest advancements in space exploration, the progress of the Tiangong space station, and the incredible achievements of the talented astronauts who are pushing the boundaries of human exploration. Until next time, keep looking up, and let the wonders of space inspire you to dream bigger, work harder, and never stop reaching for the stars. With the rapid advancements in space technology and the opening up of opportunities for people from all walks of life to become astronauts, there has never been a better time to immerse yourself in the incredible world of space exploration. Who knows, maybe one day soon, you'll find yourself among the stars, making history as part of the next generation of space pioneers. Thanks for exploring China with us. Smash that like button, comment, and share. Subscribe for more and drop your questions or ideas below. Together, let's showcase this amazing nation. Catch you in the next video.